primary memory of the Porsche 911 GT3 Touring from our sports car giant test is the engine. It's quite an obvious one, but a 4-litre naturally aspirated flat 6 that revs to 9,000 RPM is pretty hard to come by. Porsche knows that at some point the GT3 will likely have to be turbocharged, so it's clinging onto this engine for as long as possible, and it is every bit as good as you'd hope it would be. My primary memory of the BMW M2 CS from our sports car giant test is, well, actually having to take a massive detour in it due to a closed road. And given that we ended up driving over the tightest mountain path—
Car in window. Push, push, push. Let's go.